Welcome everyone to another DevStream Summary video. This is a summary of the Twitch stream that aired on the 19th of November, where we created the update 1.64. In this stream, we mostly focused on getting the manufacturing puzzle page to a usable state. While we did get a lot of the features complete, it still needs a few more improvements and a bit of polishing before I would feel confident letting everyone use it. And so I've given early access to this feature to all of those who support me on Patreon. If you want to catch one of these streams live, I stream every Thursday, 7 PM GMT+2 on twitch.tv/ChaosTopsy. I'll leave a link to that in the description. I thought it would be useful to give you guys a quick explanation on how I am getting the data out of the game files and putting it into the apps. Without going into too much detail, there are basically two files that we are concerned with. The first file contains all of the messages that we receive from the facility, which is basically the question. And then along with that, we have multiple options, and each option has a name and then a response that we will receive from the facility if we select that option, as well as a reward ID. I then use this reward ID to look in the second file to see what the actual rewards will be. And these can range from standing increase to units, nanites, products, blueprints, and some others that I'll need to figure out how to display in the apps. From the previous stream, we already had most of the data in the apps. We just needed to figure out how to display it in a nice way. So I used the same little modal that pops up when you look at the weekend missions to display the incoming messages from the facility, as well as keeping the options that you have similar to those that are on the weekend mission page. When I was testing out these options, I actually got the answers so correct that I won myself a couple of Captain Steves. Please go check out Captain Steve's channel for more awesome No Man's Sky content. The most challenging part of this feature has been the rewards that you receive from the options that you choose. Be it that I don't have the items actually in the app yet, or that they are a little bit more obscure, such as earning standing. And to add to the confusion, there's also a lot of legacy data in the game files. For example, it used to be that you would get a random blueprint from choosing the correct answer in the manufacturing facility. That was changed, and now you actually have a menu where you can choose which recipe you wish to unlock. This is something that I'm going to have to handle in the next update to this feature, where I will display a factory override token along with the tech tree that you will be able to unlock using the factory override tokens. Along with the factory override unit, I also need to work on a few of the visual glitches that can appear. For example, all of these items are trying to load their own information individually. Instead, we could load all of the information for all of these items first before trying to display any of the items. This will not only speed up the user interface, but it will also feel faster for the user. In the next stream, I'll be focusing on all these bugs and adding more functionality to this page. I want to give a big thank you to everyone who supports the Assistant for No Man's Sky apps on Patreon. You guys are amazing. I hope you enjoy early access to features like this one, as well as the weekly dev update posts. For those of you who want to and can support me, I'll leave a link to my Patreon in the description. Thank you everyone for watching. I'll see you in the next DevStream Summary video. Please let me know what you think by hitting that like button or dislike button, or leaving a comment. Tell me if the explanation of the manufacturing puzzle files was good or not. And I'll see you in the next DevStream Summary video. Bye!